Where is she? Valentina, come on up here, please. Okay, you sit right here. Okay, now tell us what your name is.
Valentina.
And what's this little girl's name right here?
Joy.
And how old are you?
6.
And how old is she?
7 months old.
And do you have a little song you want to sing to her? Why
Yes.
don't you go ahead and sing it?
Rise up this morning, you with the rising sun. 3 little birds come at my doorstep. I sing and sweet songs, a melody pure and clear. Singing, this is my message to you. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause if you let us sing, it's gonna be alright. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause if you let us sing, it's gonna be alright. Last time.
Don't
worry
about a thing.
'Cause
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Alright, big
I got
kisses.
sticky.
Big kisses forever. Bye bye.
It's me. She gets
Bye. Ah! Okay, that's enough. Bye.